Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dual SIM on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Plus, 16 Pro Max as well. Now, let's get started. So first thing is the iPhone 16, depending on what model you have or the version that you have, may or may not have a physical SIM. So if you have the US model, you will no longer have a physical SIM card. You'll have to use eSIM for dual SIM. If you happen to have an international model, you may be able to use the dual SIM with the physical SIM and an eSIM. So if your phone does have a physical SIM card slot, it's going to be on the left hand side right here. As you'll see here, this one, what you can do is simply go ahead and take SIM ejector tool or like a earring or a paper clip, and then you can go ahead and insert your physical SIM card. So you will do is enter your physical SIM card on your phone. So let's go ahead and enter one. I have a physical SIM here that I'm going to show you. So what you'll do is take this and then take your SIM card. It's a nano size SIM, lay it flat where this is showing up, and then you're going to line it up with the hole just like that, and then press it until it is flush. Now, once you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to have the physical SIM card on it. That's one line. Now, to use the dual or the second line, you're going to go to settings on your iPhone and then go to cellular, and you'll see one line activated. Now, if you want a second line, which I said is going to have to be through eSIM, you're going to add an eSIM. When you add an eSIM, it's going to give you the option to use a QR code, or if you have another phone that you want to move over, you can also move it over from there on. So that's how you can add the second line for your dual SIM feature on the 16 Pro line up here. So as you can see here, this model doesn't have physical SIM because the US version, this does, because this is a phone that used to have physical SIM. So, and then after that, we just go into our settings and then add another cellular line if you already have one with this process. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhones. We'll see you guys next time.